Let Jah rise and all his enemies be scattered. Let them that hate him flee before him. Staff is being driven away, so drive them away. Woo! Ha ha! Wow!
Professor
Rastafari! Ever living I? Woo! I'm tired of the Babylon system. Poor people is the victim. I'm tired of the Babylon system. Only poor people is the victim. Too much violence and crime, and them hearts still corrupt, and none of them no loving and kind. Too much violence and crime, and them hearts too corrupt, and none of them no loving and kind. Damn, then when me hungry, and when me a go down, me go for look at them and them a say no, you. Me put a gun at them head back, me get in a trouble. Now the coke and the crack increase by the double. Babylon down, give the youths them a chance. No education, no land for a plant. El King Selassie and pass before me work for politician. One make that tune your hand chant. I'm tired of the Babylon system. Poor people is all of the victim. I'm tired of the Babylon system. Only poor people the victim of violence and crime. And them are too corrupt, and none of them no loving mankind. Say them a fight crime, and them hearts still corrupt, and none of them no loving mankind. Get a youth stammer, nothing come easy. You got to work hard. Avoid going to prison, avoid getting charged. Good over evil, that's the greatest reward. This is Sizzla Calamity from Judgment Yard. Got to press the last eye and shine your light and be educated. You gotta be bright and stay focused. Think right and go, or you first stop the fuss. You sell the country to white man. I'm tired of the Babylon system. Poor people still the victim. I'm tired of the Babylon system. Poor people is still wow, too much violence and crime, and them not too corrupt, and none of them no loving and kind. Too much violence and crime, and them no have no love. By the front line, too much violence and crime, and them are too corrupt, and none of them no loving and kind. Violence and crime. Hey, set the floor for your brother. How many times I gonna tell you? Learn to respect each other. Can't be stressed out, say you can't take it. Woo! Tell me what's the matter. Start now you're bingy and you read a few chapter. Get to read all of the rapture. Get rid of the guns and the drugs Babylon manufacture. Come we set up a damn new structure. The violence and crime, and them all too corrupt, and none of them no loving and kind. Too much violence and crime, and my sister them don't got no love up on the front line. I'm tired of the Babylon system.